Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 5th, 2024, and we're diving into Hologic's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter of fiscal 2024. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Hologic has just released their Q4 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic acquisitions.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Hologic reported a revenue of $987 million for the fourth quarter, marking a 4.5% increase. John, can you elaborate on the factors driving this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was primarily driven by strong performance in their diagnostics and breast health segments. Notably, molecular diagnostics saw a 9.4% increase thanks to higher sales of non-COVID-19 assays. This indicates a successful pivot from pandemic-related products to more sustainable revenue streams.
And what about profitability? How did Hologic perform in terms of earnings?
Hologic's GAAP diluted EPS was 76 cents, a significant increase from 37 cents in the previous year, while the non-GAAP E1 up by 13.5%. This improvement is largely due to operational efficiencies and a focus on high-margin products, which expanded their gross margin by 360 basis points to 56.5%.
Operational efficiencies and strategic initiatives. Hologic has also shown impressive operational efficiencies. Can you tell us more about their operating margin and cash flow?
The operating margin improved significantly to 23.3%, up from 14.0% last year. This was driven by better cost management and increased sales. Additionally, Hologic generated strong cash flow from operations, amounting to $367.1 million, which supports their strategic initiatives and share repurchase programs.
Speaking of strategic initiatives, Hologic recently acquired Endomagnetics. How does this fit into their broader strategy?
The acquisition of Endomagnetics, a developer of breast cancer surgery technologies, for $310 million is a strategic move to enhance their breast health segment. This aligns with their goal to diversify and strengthen their interventional breast business, positioning them well for future growth.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what is Hologic's outlook for fiscal 2025?
Hologic has provided a positive outlook for 2025, with revenue guidance between $4.15 billion and $4.2 billion, reflecting a growth of up to 4.2%. They also expect GAAP EPS to range from $3.53 to $3.63. The company is confident in its growth strategy, supported by a robust balance sheet and strong cash flows.
And what about their capital allocation plans?
Hologic plans to continue its share repurchase program with an accelerated share repurchase agreement worth $250 million, expected to be completed in the first half of fiscal 2025. This demonstrates their commitment to returning value to shareholders while maintaining financial flexibility.
Key takeaways. In summary, Hologic has delivered a strong performance in Q4, with notable revenue and EPS growth, strategic acquisitions, and robust cash flow. John, any final thoughts on Hologic as an investment?
Hologic is well-positioned for continued growth, with a strong product portfolio and strategic acquisitions enhancing their market position. Investors should keep an eye on their execution of the growth strategy in 2025.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Hologic's performance in the comments below.